Finally, there are a couple of more things I want to show you about coding with Eclipse. So I've copied the code directly from the PDF file into the editor, and notice how there are a couple of errors. And I'll use Quick Fix. It wants me to type a bracket to complete the method. I'll type that in, and I still have an error, and it says I need to type in another one to complete the class body, and I'll just type it anywhere. This is not well formatted code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. I'm going to right click under Source, Format, and you can see that it does a really good job of formatting the code for you automatically. Now we're ready to go. So the first type of error is errors with syntax that are highlighted in the code itself. You've seen how to correct those. Another type of error that we haven't talked about are runtime errors that occurs while the code is executing, and it may not be detected before compiling. What can help us deal with these runtime errors is debug. First, we'll want to open the debug perspective, window, perspective, open perspective, and debug. Next, we'll want to run in debug mode. And you can see that the first time through it has run through the program as it should. Next, we're going to insert a breakpoint by double clicking in the left margin. When we run this time in debug, note that the execution stops at this line of code. We can hit F6 to move one line ahead in our code, stepping through the code one line at a time. Okay. It is very important to know that we can also look at our values. Line is a text string that has all of the information read from the current line of text from the input CSV file. And employee is that line of code broken into individual fields. And you can see that this is the third line in the program. Also, if you hit F8, you execute to the next breakpoint. You can see it's skipping through each line in the program. And then finally, F11, Control F11, will run through the end of the program, ignoring all of the breakpoints.